Hello friends. Today we are discussing vowels. Now remember, in past I've talked about this, and if you haven't seen those videos, go to the channel and check that out. But we said the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And we said U makes two sounds, okay? So today we are discussing short vowels, and we're going to go through some examples that I have for each of the vowel letters. So let's get into it. This short vowel says A, B, A, T, S, A, G, sag. This is bat. B, G, bag. L, and, land. B, R, ag, brag. K, a, r, ot, carrot. Okay, let's move to the sound E. B, e, t, bet. S, e, t, set. G, e, t, get. L, and, lend. B, l, and, blend. N, t, dent. All right, let's go to I. B, it, bit. S, it, sit. D, id, did. R, ng. Now, when I'm teaching this sound to start with, I tell the K to say ng so that they get a feel for it. And then after a little while, we start to cut out the heavy G sound at the end so that we're left with ng, ng. So, bring. B, r, ing, bring. F, ing, finger. Now we're going to deal with these sounds with ng, with nt, with bl. We're going to talk about all that, but not in today's video. All right, moving on.